Hey guys, are you still scrolling down looking for the highest or the lowest score in a data, or the highest and the lowest figure in a particular set of data, or you are still wasting your time? You are still in the ancient time, right? Microsoft Excel have a simple function, super easy function that will help you to identify highest or lowest value in a given set of data very easily, which is the maximum and the minimum function. Right? Now let's dive into deep and let's see how it works. If this is your first time of coming across this channel, please do it to hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell icon so you not miss out each time I upload a new video. And stay tuned with us because every day you will be having what new tips and tricks in Microsoft Excel, whether you're a beginner or a pro, which will help you in what productivity. Thank you very much if you have done that one. Okay, without wasting time, let's get into business. Now we have this set of data. We have the student name, math, English, science, and these are total score. If you have these three figures, you will have what? The total score here. Now we want to know which score here is the highest score, right? Now to know the highest score, you going manually down is very boring. So what we have to do in Excel, we have a function called maximum function. It helps you to identify the highest score very easily. Now, just hit on equals to sign. As you all know, if you want to start a particular function in Microsoft Excel, hit the equals to sign first. This is for what? Those of you who are beginners, if this is your very first time of using Microsoft Excel, when you hit on equals to sign, start typing what? Maximum, right? MAX. Excel have IntelliSense to identify a particular set of categories of function you are looking for. Now this is it, maximum function. Now when you hit on it, just highlight the scores area and hit on enter. Boom. Here we go. Now the maximum score in this set of data is 277. And if you look at 277, the student that have 277 is Amnata. She is the one with the highest score. Now we want to also look for the lowest scores, right? Now hit on equals to also, and this time instead of maximum, you type what? Minimum, which is MIN. Pop up, double click on it, highlight the scores area, hit on enter. Boom. Now the lowest score here is 173, which is super easy. You can use this trick in any other set of data you have, and I believe it's very helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button for me. Turn on the notification bell icon so you not miss out each time I upload. And most important of all, don't forget to like this video. God bless you.